The food processing industry has been slated for accelerated growth. It is projected to be a futuristic industry, and it is stated that over the years it will emerge as a leading player in the global market. As a result, the industry is seen to be witnessing feverish activity. If you wish to have a business that makes and sells food products, then this video will give you all the answers. Let's get into the video. Number 1, baking products. Are you someone who always dreamt about starting baking business? Then definitely this is for you. The baking is one of the most popular food processing industry around the world. If you enjoy baking, then starting a baking business can fetch you good returns. So if you enjoy baking cookies, biscuits and other stuffs, you guys can definitely give it a try. Number 2, bread production. Since it's a busy world, everyone seeks for something that is time manageable and consumable. Bread contains less fat and less sugar, so there's no risk with health. A good bread never goes out of style. Fresh quality breads are always in demand in both urban and rural areas. Also, the bread production process is not complex. If you want to start something that's profitable, then this is the best. Number 3, cheesecake making. This is a versatile business and this can be set up in small scale too. The production requires high vitamin rich ingredients like strawberries, cheese, sugar, wheat flour, egg, maize, vegetable oil, starch, salt, and some preservatives. It works amazing with a wide range of flavors like lemon and chocolates to pumpkin. This is something a colorful and attractable business, particularly among the kids and youngs. Number 4, chocolate making, one of the evergreen and most profitable food processing business of all time. A business that never fades. From kids to old, everyone loves chocolate. So over time, this business gets bigger and bigger. The production process of chocolate may vary according to different quality of chocolates. Also, according to the availability of raw material, you can decide the taste and ingredients of the chocolate. Number 5, coconut milk powder production. Generally, large quantity of coconut is found in Africa, India, Malaysia, and Asia. Coconut trees has huge lifespan, and one coconut tree can produce between 70 to 200 coconuts in each year. Actually, the coconut powder has a long shelf life, fewer storage places, and low cost of packaging. You need to be very selective while selecting the quality of fresh coconut. The more better and fresh coconut you find, then the best coconut milk powder you can make. Number 6, coconut oil production. One of the food processing business that's always in demand is coconut oil because it's been used most importantly as cooking medium for making delicious recipe. Apart from this, coconut oil has various industrial applications. It's been used in the manufacture of detergent, laundry soap, surface active agents, hair tonics, hair serums, cosmetics, and still so many. The most important factor in the business of coconut oil manufacturing is the location. Number 7, French fry making. The one thing that almost everyone never gets tired of eating is French fries. Good quality potatoes are generally used to make French fries. French fries are becoming very popular in every culture and countries. Apart from the domestic demand, the product has an export opportunity too. This can be started on small scale and can be enlarged over time. But once you decide to start this business, you must definitely pay attention on the packaging. Number 8, fruit juice production. To make yourself refreshing in a busy day, we always look for something that's fresh and energetic. So fruit juice is one of the ready to serve food item. Another popular product is squash. These are very popular throughout the year, especially during summer. This can be started on a small scale at first or else big scale. That's up to you and the environment or atmosphere you choose. The product should be selected according to the availability of raw materials and the taste of the customer. Number 9, honey processing. Honey is one of the products that can be used as an ingredient in the preparation of foods, juices, etc. This has been also used in beauty products. Honey processing is actually removing wax and other foreign unwanted materials from honey. You can establish the processing in two ways, either by manual way or by electrical driven. The production process is simple. Initially, this can be started in small scale and home based basis. Number 10, ice cream manufacturing. Ice cream is a very popular food item among every people irrespective of their age. Apart from that, it's an important dessert item in almost every celebrations and events. Currently, the retail sale of ice cream is booming. Though the ice cream business grows in summer, the product has a good demand throughout the year. The most important thing about this food processing business is that this requires a machinery, good raw materials, and a successful commercial process. These are some of the best food processing business ideas that are worth trying and leaping your legs. If you found this video useful, then like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified for further videos. And thanks for watching.